Hey Siri, activate office mode.
On it. Office mode. Coming up.
Are you looking to build a smart home in 2023? Well, look no further because this is a beginner's step-by-step guide on how to get started on your Apple Homekit setup. If you're a pro or you've already had the setup, then this might not be the right video for you. But for those of you that are looking to start, come with me and I'll show you how to get this started. Let's go. All right, let's get started. First things first, you want to open up the Home app and create a new home. You can input any name and use any of the available background, or take a picture of your home to use as the background. Make sure you're doing this from within the account you want as the primary. Additional users can only have the highest privilege of an admin. Changing primary owners will require recreating the home. Step 2. Add a room. Again, open the Home app and tap or click Add. Select Add Room, give your room a name, and then tap or click Save. Do this for all the rooms you plan to add smart devices to in your home. You can always add more rooms after as needed. Next, organize rooms into a zone. Group rooms together into a zone like upstairs or downstairs to easily control different areas of your home using Siri. On your iPhone or iPad, touch and hold the room name to open up the room. Tap or click the More button and select Room Settings. Tap or click Zone, select a suggested zone or choose Create New and give your new zone a name. Tap or click Done. Step 3. Add your hub. In this case, I will be adding the HomePod Mini. The iOS device will either automatically prompt you for setup or you can use the search option to add the HomePod. Run through the installation wizard. It is quite straightforward. Step 4. Share control with other users. Only Apple users can be invited into the home and they must have either an Apple iCloud email account or a third-party email address that is linked to an iCloud account. If you try to add an email address that's not linked to iCloud, you're going to get this error message. To fix that, you can go to the settings, search for iCloud, and make sure iCloud Mail is enabled or turned on. It will create an iCloud mail address using the third-party email address as well. You can then head back to the Home app, click the More button, select Home Settings, and invite people. Finally, add accessories. To add an accessory to your Home app, you can use your iPhone or iPad. You can't add accessories to the Home app on Mac. So again, open up the Home app and click Add. Tap Add Accessories. Use the camera on your phone or iPad to scan the 8-digit HomeKit code or the QR code on the accessories. On the accessory, hold your iPhone near the accessory to add it. When your accessory appears, tap it. If asked to add accessory to network, tap Allow. Assign your accessory to a room and name it to help you identify it in the Home app and control it with Siri. Next, we want to set up scenes. In the Home app, tap or click the Add button, then select Add Scene. Choose the suggested scene for a list of scenes suggested for you, or create a custom scene. Tap or click Custom. Give your scene a name, then tap or click Add Accessories. Choose the accessories that you want to add, then tap or click Done. To adjust the settings for an accessory, tap or click It. To change which accessories are included in the scene, tap or click Add Accessories. To preview the scene, tap or click Test this scene. For the scene I had used in the introduction of this video, I created a scene, added my smart shades, HomePods, and the lines, and then I also added the HomePod Mini. Then I went to the radio station and chose music as well from the playlist. So you can kind of play any of the music in that playlist. Then save that scene, and then I can get Siri to activate office mode. Next, you want to set up automations. In the Home app, tap or click the Add button, then select Add Automation. To start an automation when an accessory turns on or off, choose an accessory is controlled, or choose a sensor detects something, or choose a time of day occurs for time-based automation. Choose the action that triggers the automation. In this case, select the time of day, the day of the week it occurs, and if you want it to trigger based on persons in the household. Select scenes and accessories that react to the action. Tap the individual accessory to set the state you want it to be when the automation triggers, then click Done. And finally, you can set up notifications for certain HomeKit and Matter accessories like locks and sensors. Click on the supported device, click Status and Notification, and then enable Activity Notifications. You can customize the time you receive notifications and if you are home or away when the notifications occur. And that concludes my beginner's guide on how to get started on setting up an Apple HomeKit setup. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like the video as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, stay safe.